In this video, I will show you how to set shipping rates in Square Online. First, log into your Square account. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard. Now, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This will open another list of options. Under Fulfillment Methods, select Shipping. On your main board, you will see the Shipping Rate Profile section. Click on Add Profile to start creating one. In this section, you can now input your profile details such as the shipping type, profile name, and the countries or regions you want to offer shipping to. You can also set flat rates, free shipping, or rates based on order weight or total. Scroll down a bit and you will see the option to customize rates for different locations or order ranges. Take your time to review these settings to make sure they match your store's policies. Once all details are filled out, click Save at the top right corner of your screen. You will now see your new shipping rate profile added to your dashboard and ready to use. And that's how to set shipping rates in Square Online.